He once turned heads with his rupees 80 crore number plate. Today, Balwinder Singh Sahni, also known as Abu Sabah, is making headlines for all the wrong reasons. The Dubai based Indian origin billionaire has been sentenced to 5 years in prison by the Dubai Fourth Criminal Court. The charge, money laundering through a criminal organization. The court has also ordered the confiscation of 150 million dirhams from Sahani's assets and imposed a fine of half a million dirhams, that's over rupees 1.15 crore. Once he completes his sentence, he will be deported from the UAE. Sahani is the founder and chairman of the RSG Group of Companies, a massive conglomerate with ventures across the UAE, the US, India, and South Asia. His businesses span real estate, automotive, industrial equipment, and investments. Among his flagship projects are Qasr Sabah, a $123 million residential complex in Dubai's Port City, Burj Sabah, a 24-story high-rise in Jumeirah Village Circle worth $50 million, and the five-star Sabah Rotana Hotel near Suqaim. Also in the portfolio, the Jebel Ali Central Rotana, a four-star property near a major metro line. Born in Kuwait City in 1972, Sahani began his journey at just 18. He dropped out of his business management degree and started with automotive spare parts. Soon he pivoted into real estate, building a fortune and a reputation for flamboyance. His big moment in the public eye came in 2016. Sahani bought the Dubai license plate D5 for AED 33 million, approximately 80 crore rupees. He later added another price plate, O9, for AED 24.5 million. He explained the purchases saying, and I quote, I like number 9 and D5 adds up to 9, so I went for it. End quote. He also said the money went toward Dubai's infrastructure and charity, as the city has no income tax. But it wasn't just the license plates. He bought a mobile number 058 for AED 4.5 million. His car collection includes multiple Rolls-Royces, a Mercedes AMG G63, and a Bugatti Chiron on display. His mansion, reportedly worth $100 million, is decked out with custom Bentley furniture. Videos of his home, including a tour by YouTuber Vlogs, have racked up millions of views. Beyond the luxury, Sahani is also known for his philanthropy. In Amritsar, after his father's death in 2004, he built an old-age home called Apna Ghar. After his mother passed in 2007, he funded a tuberculosis hospital and later constructed India's largest hospital for the deaf and mute. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Sahani contributed AED 1 million to Abu Dhabi's Together We Are Good initiative. He also took part in fundraising efforts for medical research. In 2020, he was honored with the Businessman of the Year award at the SICK Awards in Dubai. But today, the legacy of Abu Sabah is shadowed by conviction. From mega projects and million dirham plates, Balwinder Singh Sahni's story now ends in a Dubai prison.